Hi students, good morning to all of you and welcome to online class. Student, this class we will solve some important questions about related to the solar system. In the previous class I explained in the solar system about the solar system and about in our solar system sun is the center and remaining 8 planets revolving around the sun, and not only revolving around the sun, they are rotating itself also. Which one? Planets. Those are explaining in our previous class. Now I am asking to you, can you tell that uh, planets name in the correct order of our solar system? Here question is there, write the planets name in the correct order. Totally how many planets are there in our solar system? 8 are there, student. Okay, so 8 is there present. All 8 of planets, can you name that with in the correct order like this? Look there properly. First one is there, Mercury is the student. Mercury. Second one, Venus. Third one, our Earth is there, student. Our Earth. Fourth one, Mars is there. Fifth one, Jupiter is there. Jupiter. And sixth one, which one? Saturn is there. Just to think that. Seventh one, Uranus is there. Last one, eighth one, Neptune is there. So these are the 8 planets in the correct order. From up to the sun, this first one, Mercury is there, Venus is there, Earth is there, Mars is there, Jupiter is there, Saturn is there, Uranus is there, Neptune is there. So these are the correct order of planets in our solar system. Okay, next one. What is orbit of a planet? You know that all the planets revolving around the sun. How it revolving around the sun? What do you call that one revolving around the sun? That is called orbit, student. Exactly here sun, you just think that. So here planet is the first one, Mercury. So this Mercury having revolving around the sun. So this path, what do you call this one? Orbit, student. So how can you answer this one? Very simple, student. That is each planet revolve revolve around the sun in special path, that is called also oval path, and this path of the planet is called is called orbit. Keep in your mind, student. So orbit means each planet revolve around the sun in the special path, that is called oval path. This path of the planet is called orbit. This is orbit now, student. So this is orbit, sun is center. Here Mercury is there. Next one, Venus is there, Earth is this line. So that moment of the special path is called orbit. And why Pluto is called dwarf planet? Here very important, student. How many planets are there in our solar system? 8 is there. But so many since year ago, in the solar system 9 planets are there. That ninth one is Pluto is there. But till now this Pluto is, we are not consider Pluto as a planet, because that is dwarf planet. Why there Pluto is called dwarf planet? Because this is very too small as compared to the other 8 planets. This Pluto planet is very far away from the sun, and sunlight is not reachable to the Pluto planet, and it's very small. That's the reason it is called as dwarf planet. Because Pluto, you know what you have called this one? Pluto too small. To be called dwarf planet. Because Pluto too small to be called dwarf planet. That's the reason. Okay, next one, give the difference between the star and planet. Have you no idea this one? Okay, do one thing now, student. This one for homework for you. I am not able to tell this one answer because you have to do work in your home. Okay, so give one difference between the star and planet. What is the difference? Star and planet, how can you identify it? Whether it is the which one they're shining, which they have giving one light. So you have to make one column, write one or two difference. You write you two difference between the star and planet. Okay, so I hope you are understood. Next class I will explain later. Thank you. Bye bye.